I'm gonna make an assumption right now and you tell me if I'm right or not. You're watching YouTube on a regular basis, but you are not making money while watching YouTube.
Yes, he's right, we spend a lot of time on YouTube, but we don't get paid for anything. But what Dave Nick fails to mention here is that it's extremely difficult to do so. But let's hear what he has to say about this.
These are going to be 6 completely different ways that you can make money while watching YouTube videos.
Now let's see all of these methods and if any of them actually work. I will summarize all of the video for you just because it takes a long time to explain, guys.
So some of these are literally just going to be apps which you can install and watch YouTube videos to get paid, and some of these are going to be a little bit more complicated methods which you will need to integrate while watching YouTube videos but still work and can get you paid in 2023 as a complete beginner with no website and without actually having to invest a single dollar.
So I'm already not liking any of his methods. These apps that he mentioned usually pay peanuts and you will need to watch a lot of videos to get paid. And usually you will get paid with vouchers, not even money.
Let us begin with an option number 1 to make money while watching YouTube videos, and that is to use this social media engagement exchange marketplace called AdMeFast. You can sign up for completely free, and when you log into your account, you will be able to see that you can collect points while engaging with other social media accounts.
For the first website that he showed us, admefast.com, you will need to get points to get money, but already it's a hassle.
Meaning you can like someone's Instagram videos, you can like someone's Facebook posts, you can follow people on Instagram, and each time you do that, you're gonna be credited different points. They're gonna give you points for those follows and for those likes and views.
Alright, so we know how to make points out of this website, but how do we actually make money?
So what you can do is you can go to the YouTube views section over here, but I'm gonna show you exactly how to actually get paid off of it, because if you just collect these points, you're not gonna be able to cash them out on the website directly. So I'm going to show you exactly how to actually turn those points into actual money.
This is a very bad sign. You cannot cash them out directly on the website, so you need a third-party website to do it. I'm thinking that it will be a hassle to claim your own money. Let's see.
As you can see, if we watch this video for 75 seconds, this is a YouTube video, we're gonna make around 10 points. And so all you gotta do is click on view video.
So you see, just 10 points for a 75-second video. Not great.
And I'm going to show you exactly how to actually exchange those points for money. So the more videos you watch, the more points you're going to collect on AdMeFast. And then you will need to use an external platform to actually withdraw or to actually exchange those points into actual cash and money.
Here comes the third-party website. I don't like this method at all, guys, but let's see how you can exchange the points for money.
Now what you want to do once you start collecting those points, now you want to go to add site/link, and that means you can add your own social media accounts to get likes, followers, and engagement on your social media posts. Now you don't necessarily need social media engagement from this website.
Now he's diving off on how you can earn followers instead of how you can make money. So this is not a good sign, and it shows that it's actually not a good method.
Now instead of you, as I said, getting those followers, what you can do is you can sell this either as a service or sell those social media accounts with followers on a platform like PlayerUp. So you can go to playerup.com, which is a marketplace where people come to buy, sell, and trade social media accounts.
It's easy for him to say. Most of the time, once you put the listings, you wouldn't get any sales unless you promote it or something. It's much harder than it looks, guys.
Now this is obviously a little bit harder because you do need to get sales in order to withdraw your money and exchange it for real money. So let's go on to the second way that you can make money with YouTube. That's gonna be a little bit easier.
At least he was somewhat honest about this. It is very hard to get money from this method. Now let's move on to the second method.
The second way you can make money while watching YouTube videos is to go over to microworkers.com. Microworkers is a platform where you can complete different micro jobs, mini jobs that don't take that much effort and don't require a degree, and you can complete them in like 10-20 seconds.
So I'm assuming that these micro jobs involve us either watching YouTube videos or else following someone else on Instagram or Facebook, I don't know.
So you can just go to Microworkers, you can log in, and if you select video/music sharing platforms, you can find people who are paying others to watch their YouTube videos.
So as I told you, you will get paid to watch YouTube videos, but as you can see, it's not a lot.
So as you can see, you're going to be paid to search, watch, like, and comment. You're going to be paid 12 cents per video you watch. You literally search for the video, you watch it, you close it, and that's it. And you're paid 10 to 12 cents depending on the job that you complete.
So just 12 cents per video, which is very cheap and not worth the time in my opinion.
The third way that you can make money while watching YouTube videos for free is to go over to shrinkme.io, and shrinkme.io is a link shortening service that will pay you when someone clicks on your link.
Now there's already a problem with the third method. To get someone to click on your link, you will need an audience for sure. So either a website or a Facebook page or an Instagram page, but if you don't have any of these, you're screwed. You cannot do anything. So that's why you need to filter out the things you hear guys on YouTube.
And then go to Imgur.com, which is a platform that's being visited by millions of people around the world.
Now his plan is to get clicks through this website. But speaking from experience, it's hard guys. And you will barely get any clicks.
The next way you can make money by watching YouTube videos is to watch tutorial videos.
Now seriously, how do you expect us to make money with tutorial videos?
The reason for that is because those tutorials usually promote what they're, like for example, if it's a tutorial about how to build a website, they're usually gonna promote their website builder in the description box.
I still don't understand what he's saying. Let's see what else he has to say about this.
You can sign up as an affiliate through vidIQ, the same tool that I'm promoting in that video, and then create a Sniply call to action. Go to Sniply, so you can create your own call to action and add your affiliate link for the video that I made or for the video that literally anyone made on any topic where they're promoting something. You can promote the same thing.
So I don't know why it actually made sense for him to put this in this video. This is affiliate marketing and it doesn't even compare to watching YouTube videos. It's a whole another story.
And if you copy your Sniply link, this is how it's going to look like. So it's going to take people to that tutorial that talks about a certain subject, in this case how to get more views on YouTube, and that video also promotes that offer. In this case it promotes vidIQ.
So again, you would need to promote your own link, and if you don't have an audience, you cannot make any money.
The next way that you can make money while watching YouTube videos is going to be very similar to the first option, and that is to use another social media engagement exchange platform called likeforlike.org.
So the fifth method is just the same as the first one. I'm not even going to get into it.
The last way that you can make money while watching YouTube videos is going to be to use Rev.com. If you go to Rev.com and you go to freelancers section, so you go to Rev.com/freelancers, you can see that you can sign up as a freelancer. You can make money to transcribe different podcasts and videos.
So the last method isn't good for the majority of the people watching this video, not even for me. This is time consuming and you wouldn't get paid a lot of money doing this. So you would need to watch a video and then transcribe it. But the thing is that it is hard to get these freelance jobs. It's not as easy as Nick's saying. By now we've watched all of the 6 methods. Which one do you think is best? Personally for me, I don't like any of these methods. They all seem time consuming and you don't get paid a lot of money doing these. I don't think that Nick watches these himself and makes money through these. He just made this for the content on YouTube.